Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan Civil Engineer. Today in this video we will see the three coordinate system in AutoCAD, and we will take three examples for to draw the figure using this coordinate system. First one is absolute coordinate system, second one is relative rectangular coordinate system, and third one is relative polar coordinate system. We will draw these three example figure already I had drawn in the AutoCAD file. I had opened my AutoCAD file. I will draw one by one so you will understand how this coordinate system are there in AutoCAD. First one we will take absolute coordinate system. In the absolute coordinate system, the figure and the distance are measured with respect to the origins. Means the the points to draw the figure are measures to the source of origin. I already mentioned the command over here, first point, second point, third point. So I will draw an example for you so you will understand how this coordinate system are working. Basically, absolute coordinate system is the distance of x and y measured along the origin. It is a distance of x and y measures from the source of origin. So we will start. So already I had shown in the figure here the command shown over here. So we will start. First we will take line command. We will take the first point is 0, 0. Already here came. Okay. We will take the second point is equal to 20, 20. Here came. We will take third point equal to 20, minus 20. Here came. And last point equal to minus 40, 0. Okay, and close. And again take line command. First point equal to 0, 0. Second point equal to minus 40, 0. Sorry, it's by mistakenly came here. Line command 0, 0. Second point will be 0, minus 40. Then third point will be minus 40, 0. Last point will be 0, 40. Close. So we are taking the distance with x and y distance from the origin, from the source of origin. Means x and y distance are measured from origin. So here this will remaining. Again take line command. First point equal to 10, minus 40. So it came here. Second point equal to 0, 20. So it came here. Third point equal to 10, 0. It came here. And the last point equal to 0, minus 20. And escape. So here we had done the example example figure by absolute coordinate system. So we understand now the absolute coordinate system are the x and y distance measured from origin. So I will delete this. Now we will take another coordinate system in AutoCAD, which is relative rectangular coordinate system. In the relative rectangular coordinate system, the x and y distance are measured from the previous point enter. Means it is not taken from the origin, it is taken from the x and y distance are measured from the previous point, from the source of previous point. So we will start the example. First we will take line command. First point we will take anywhere on the screen. The second point will be 20,0, so it came here. The next point will be 5,20, so it came here. Next point will be 10, minus 40, so it came here. Next point will be 10, 40, it came here. Then again 10, minus 40, then again 10, 40, then again 10, minus 40, then again 5, 20, then last one will be 20, 0 and close. So already here I have shown the distance. So by this we had done our example related to rectangular coordinate system. The next coordinate system in AutoCAD is relative polar coordinate system. In the relative polar coordinate system, the points and the coordinates are x and y are measured with respect to angles, where @ a indicate the distance. In this polar coordinate system we will use @ sign, because @ sign indicate the distance with the coordinate to the angle. Means the polar coordinate, in the polar coordinate we will use the @ as a distance, and the length of the coordinate and the angle. So you will do an example, you will understand. First take line command, click anywhere on the screen. First coordinate equal to, you will use @ sign as a distance, @ 20 less than 20 less than equal to 0. In this polar coordinate system we will use the less than, because the distance and the length are measures with respect to the angle with respect to less than sign. So first point we will take as a 20 less than 0. Next point will be 20 less than, I forgot to take, we'll start again, delete line command, @ sign 20 less than 0, then we will take shift @ 20 less than 216. How I get 216 angle? Because here this angle is given 36 degree with respect to the origin, that is origin is here. So this distance will be 90, 180 plus 36 equal to 216. By this I get the 216. Again shift @ 20 less than 72, as this angle will be 72. This total angle will be, because half the angle is 36, so 36 plus 36 72. Again shift @ 20 less than 288. how I get 288? Because this whole angle becomes 360 degree. 360 degree minus 36, it will be 288. Then last point will be closure point. So I think you understand how the polar coordinate we can use to draw the figure. So I hope all you had understand the coordinate system in AutoCAD. If you do like the video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank